In this video, I will show you how to download and install apps on your Samsung Smart TV. This video is going to cover both how to download and install apps from the Samsung App Store and also how to get even Android apps to run on your Samsung Smart TV as well. First things first, you want to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is actually connected to the internet, and then you want to come over to your remote. From the home of your Samsung Smart TV, you want to navigate to the left hand side. So use the navigation button on your remote control to just navigate to where you have apps, which is basically the Samsung App Store. So go ahead and select it just like so. And now this is going to load all of the apps from the App Store of your Samsung Smart TV. Now this is basically the Samsung App Store, and in order for you to download and install any app, you can just use your remote control to scroll down, and then just find any of the apps you actually want to download over here. You can also see that over here apps are actually arranged in different categories. There are video apps, there are also sports apps, games, and just so on. There is also lifestyle. So just go ahead and select the category of apps you actually want to download into your Samsung Smart TV. You can also go over to the search bar at the top right corner of the App Store over here, and then go ahead and search the name of the app you actually want to download. So over here you can go ahead and search the name, and for the purpose of this video I'll just go ahead and download the Twitch app into my Samsung Smart TV. So just go ahead and search for the name of the app you actually want into your Samsung Smart TV. Even before I complete typing Twitch, you can literally see the Twitch app suggestion at the top. So just go ahead and search for it. You should be able to find the app. Now go ahead and select that particular app you want on your Samsung Smart TV, just like so. And then go ahead and click on the install button. Now this is just going to take a minute or two, and that particular app will be downloaded and installed into your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And as you can see, the app is actually working properly well on my Samsung Smart TV. Also, if you come over to the home of your Samsung Smart TV now and then just scroll over to where you have apps, you can literally see that Twitch has also been added as one of my downloaded apps on my Samsung Smart TV. So you want to go ahead and do this and then just download whatever app you want into your Samsung Smart TV, and it's going to work perfectly well for you. And finally, if you're looking to download and install Android apps into your Samsung Smart TV, then you need to get a TV stick or a TV box just like this one over here. Now you see, this is the Xiaomi Mi TV stick, and basically this TV stick comes with an Android operating system that when connected to your Samsung Smart TV, it automatically gives your Samsung Smart TV the Android operating system for you to be able to download and install Android apps into your Samsung Smart TV. So what you want to do is to go ahead and get this device, plug it to any of the HDMI ports on your Samsung Smart TV, and then just go over to that particular HDMI source. Now from there, you can go ahead and download and install any app that is available on the Google Play Store, or even sideload Android APKs into your Samsung Smart TV, and you're good to go. This particular device is very cheap and affordable, and I'm going to be leaving a link to this particular device in the description of this video, so you can actually get it at an affordable price. And once you get it and connect it to your Samsung Smart TV, you're good to go. That'll be all on how to download and install Android apps or just any app from the Samsung App Store into your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.